Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today I just wanted to make a quick video to show you my setup for starting seeds indoors, which I'm hoping will give you some inspiration or motivation for um, doing the same thing and getting a head start on some seedlings for the upcoming gardening season. Um, if you're like me and you live in an area where it's still a little bit too cold to start planting anything out in the ground, starting seeds inside is a great way to get a head start on a lot of things and to get yourself excited about gardening. So, yeah, I'll just show you what I've got going on here. I'll back up a little bit so you can see the whole thing, but very simple, just a shelving unit with 4 levels, and you can, I've got my microgreens there as well. Yeah, you can buy this kind of wire shelving unit from any hardware store. I actually had this one already, so I didn't buy it. And it's not ideal because it's only like, if I had bought a new one, I would have got a 6-foot one and one that is a little bit wider as well. Most of the ones that I was seeing at the hardware store were like 6 feet and a bit wider, and also they had like 5 levels, which would be ideal. So this is not ideal, but I had it, and I'm just working with what I had. These these lights that you see here are they're not any kind of special grow light. They are actually just some LED regular shop lights that I found on Facebook Marketplace for really cheap, and I got them. There's like 30 of them or whatever, so I have a lot, and I just rigged them up to these pieces of wood here, and I'm hanging them with these hooks. The thing that you need to know about lights for growing plants inside is that you need to check there's two numbers that you need to check before you invest in a light. You need to know the lumens value, and you need to know the Kelvin rating, and that's basically just refers to like the brightness and the color of the light. The lumens value needs to be at least 2000 lumens, and the Kelvin rating needs to be, I believe you want at least 5000. So you need to make sure, you need to just verify those two numbers, lumens minimum 2000 and Kelvin's minimum 5000. And if those criteria are met, then you should be good to go. Yeah, so I've hooked up like 4 to each piece of wood to give like enough light coverage for all the plants. So I'll just show you a little bit what I have. This is some basil, some onions, just some various greens there. These ones aren't doing, they're still quite small. Some lettuces that I just potted up, they're a little bigger. And spinach, and some kale, and more baby lettuce and spinach and endive. And then down here, some more bigger lettuces that I am probably going to take outside pretty soon and plant in the greenhouse that I have. Boom. Yeah. And the microgreens in there, which are looking good. So yeah, that's basically it. And then you know, the other thing that you need to know about starting seeds inside is that, especially when they're really little like this, they need to be really close to the lights. A lot of people, like, they put the the plants way too far away from the lights, but literally, like especially when they're small like this, they need to be like 2 inches from the light, 2 or 3 inches from the light, to grow properly. Otherwise, they'll just get really tall and spindly and like just kind of unhealthy looking. So that's really important. And in order to do that, you just kind of have to be creative and prop them up. So I'm just kind of propping all the trays up with whatever to make it so that so that they're high enough to get the amount of light that they need. Yeah, just using orange boxes there. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. This light that I had up here is, I'm probably gonna replace this and put another set of the LED lights here, but this is just another light that I had from years ago that I've been using, which is, I don't think it's that great, but it seems to be working okay. But hopefully gonna replace that soon. Yeah, so that's basically it. I hope this gave you some ideas and maybe some motivation to start some seedlings inside, because it's really fun. I've been having a lot of fun with this, and yeah, it's great because then spring comes and you're all ready to go, and you can plant a bunch of stuff outside early and have vegetables and stuff in your garden earlier. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and thanks for watching. Bye.